Hello, magnificent humans. Let's go through this test question, which you see on the left side of the screen, and I will be working it out on the right side as if I were a student. Let's start by reading it. Kiara downloaded 264 pictures from her cell phone to her computer. These pictures took up 528 megabytes of space on her computer. Each picture took up the same amount of space. How many megabytes do 35 of these pictures take up? So this looks like a simple proportion question where I'm dealing with two different units. I am dealing with pictures and megabytes. Now for 264 pictures, it takes up 528 megabytes, and I'm trying to figure out how many megabytes do 35 pictures take up. Setting up the proportion is always the hardest part, but I've got all of my numbers representing pictures on the top and all of my numbers representing megabytes on the bottom. From here, we'll cross multiply and divide. So I will work out 528 times 35. 8 times 5 is 40. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 4 is 14. That's what, 26. Carry this, zero placeholder. 8 times 3 is 24. Carry the 2. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 times 3 is 15. Yep, I'm right. All right. Now I'm adding 6 is 14. That's what, 8. All right, so 18,480 divided by 264. Holy smokes, that's a huge number. Okay, we have some options with doing long division because I personally hate long division, especially with big numbers like this. I'm just going to do a top-bottom chart off to this side over here. So that's my top number, my bottom number, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm only going to go to 8. All right, 264 times 1 is 264. 264 times 2 is 528. 264 times 3, I actually don't know. So let me work it out. 2, 6 times 3 is 18, 19, 792, plus 264, plus 264, plus 264. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm just adding 264 instead of remultiplying every single time. Because you guys know multiplication is repeated addition. 1, 5, 8, 4, 264. And I'm actually going to stop there because I see that 264 can go into 1,848 7 times. But I need to account for that 0 because my decimal would be at the very end and I have to go till I hit the decimal. So for 35 pictures, it takes up 70 megabytes. Your answer should have been B, 70 megabytes. And yes, this was a lot of work for one problem, but that's kind of what we expect.